At State, we believe in being good stewards of the environment and creating products that are safe for human health. That's why we're leading the Ecolution. The Ecolution begins with research and development, then flows through our manufacturing plant and ends with safer-to-use products for you and the environment. In fact, State Industrial Products has been recognized as an EPA Safer Choice Partner of the Year for our commitment to the Ecolution. The Ecolution line is biodegradable, non-toxic, and shipped in recyclable packaging. They work in harmony with other state systems and are tested using standard ASTM methods. Many of State's Ecolution products also carry third-party certifications, including EPA Safer Choice, Green Seal, and Eco-Logo. These certifications mean that our products go through a full life cycle analysis, meeting strict safety criteria for human health and the environment. Ecolution products are formulated to have minimal to no fragrance, allowing for use in facilities where occupants may be scent sensitive. Because most Ecolution products are safer, they are ideal for facilities that have strict guidelines for harsh chemicals. Not only are State's Ecolution line of green products safer and effective, they can help your company achieve its sustainability goals. As a leading manufacturer, State is continuing to develop eco-friendly practices and products. Ecolution, another great product line from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.